Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make this part in SolidWorks. It's a basic to intermediate part and not very complex, so we can finish it quickly. First, I'm going to make a part and check the units. Ensure that the unit matches the units you want. I'm going to set it in millimeters. Then I'm going to choose the front plane. First, I'm going to draw a center line going through the origin, like this. And then I'm going to make a rectangle here. I'm going to give them the dimensions. As you can see here, the center line is not in the middle of the rectangle. So I'm going to select the point here and the midpoint of the rectangle's base and make them coincident. Now we can set equations. As you can see in the picture, the drawing gives us A, B, and C. So we have to define them. If you can't see the equation tab here, you can go to the settings, Feature Manager, find equations and set it on show. Now we can see it here. Click on it and put the variables and their values. Now I'm going to draw a circle here. And another one. The inner circle has a diameter of 20. The outer circle has a diameter of 40. Then I connect the edges of rectangle to the circle. Then, as we can see in the drawing, there are also two circles over here. So I'm going to make a circle above the origin because I don't want it to get coincident with the origin. And another circle here. I'm going to define the dimensions. The distance from the center of the circle to the base is C. So I can find C by selecting Global Variables. And select C. For the inner rectangle, we can use offset entities. I'm going to select the rectangle and offset it by 5 millimeters. Then I'm going to use Trim Entities and delete the line here. Here. And here. And also the circles inside the rectangle. This part is tricky. So here in the drawing, we can see the outer circle is connected to the outer rectangle, so we have to cut the line here. the distance from the center of the circles, here, to the base is A. So we can select global variables, and then select A. So now we fully defined the sketch. We can exit. Select the sketch and select the Extruded Boss base. And select the body here. And extrude it by 10 millimeters. Click the check mark. And select the sketch again. Now, we want to extrude the circle on top by 40 millimeters. For the base, I'm gonna do the same process. And extrude it first by 5 millimeters. Make sure it's not on the thin feature. Then I select the base again. And this time I extrude it by 120 millimeters. I'm going to change the material to copper. So we are almost done, but we need to sketch the circle. For that I'm going to select the right plane. Sketch. First, I draw a rectangle. Start from the side of the arc. And then I put a center line in the middle. Now I make the circles here. And define the dimensions. Then I'm going to trim the lines inside the circle so I can extrude it easier. Then extrude it by 40 millimeters and make sure to choose the mid-plane option. Now we have to cut this rectangle here. I'm gonna choose the surface here and select sketch. Now I'm gonna make a circle using this option here. You can put your cursor on the inner circle and it automatically makes a circle with the same dimensions as the inner circle. Exit the sketch and select Extruded Cut. Make sure it goes in the right direction. And you can choose the up to the surface option and select the surface here, so it can cut the right amount. Voila! We finished it and now we can check the mass. The mass is 5,164.63 grams. Thanks for watching. See you soon.